All right. Hello. Hello, everybody. Sorry about the delay. There was some technical issues. For some reason, it was not letting me connect to the program to start the stream. But here I am. All right. So today we're talking about weather report. So talking about the weather. So, for example, today in Milan, it's sunny. So, if anybody's joining us or joining us later, go ahead and comment, say hello, introduce yourself in the comments. All right. So, let's see here. Alrighty, so let's get started. So, weather report. In this focus activity, weather and directions. What's the weather in blah, blah, blah? It's and it's not. And weather related activities. Okay. Welcome, Tonio. Welcome back. Good morning. Alrighty. So let's see here. So in English, to ask about the weather, we always use the same question. We say, what's the weather like? Okay. So, all right, good morning. So we always say, what's the weather like? So like in English, like has two possible meanings. Like can be piacere as a verb. So we have to like, piacere. And like alone, come. So in this question, in this context, what's the weather like? We're not saying come ti piace il tempo. We are saying come il tempo. Okay? So very, very important here. This is a very, very common question. Okay. So what I would like you guys to do in the comments, okay? Answer according to these pictures. So match the image to the expressions. So we have sunny, foggy, rainy, snowy, cloudy, and windy. So what about A? What is A? What is the weather like in this picture? So I like, okay. So Tonio, we can say, I like it when it's sunny. I like it when it's sunny. All right. And then cloudy. Yep, exactly. A is cloudy. Very good. Okay. And B? What about B? What's the weather like in picture B? What's the weather like in picture B? In picture B. Ah, rainy. Not exactly rainy. It's too cold to be rainy. See here? They are, you can ski, you can sled. This is in the winter, in December maybe. Exactly, Tonio. It's snowy. Perfect. We can say it's snowy. So just remember in English with snowy, foggy, windy, blah, 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 always it's snowy, it's cloudy, it's sunny. So this is the complete answer. Exactly. And picture C, what's the weather like in picture C? It's rainy. Exactly. Perfect. There you go. Good job, Tonio. You got it. And what about picture D? What's the weather like in picture D? What's the weather like in picture D? I not? What do you mean? I don't understand, Tonio. I not? Ah, it's foggy. Perfect. Exactly. Hi, Giovanni. Welcome. Welcome to the party. So it's foggy. Perfect. And what's the weather like in picture E? What's the weather like in picture E? Perfect. It's windy. Fantastic, Tonio. Tonio, you're on fire. Good, Giovanni. I'm glad. And what's the weather like in picture F? Perfect. All right. Fantastic, Tonio. Very good. You got it. You're fast. You're too fast, Tonio. All right. Let's see here. Tonio, where are you from? And Giovanni, what's the weather like in Milan today? Am I from Sardinia? No, I'm not from Sardinia. Giovanni, I'm a MyS student. Or I'm a student at MyS. Fantastic, Giovanni. It's sunny. Perfect. Tonio, are you from Sardinia? Are you from Sardinia, Tonio? Perfect. So, Tonio, what's the weather like in Sardinia today? Mm, c'è bel tempo. Okay. So in English, to say c'è bel tempo, we say it's nice out. This is how we say c'è bel tempo. This one's a very common expression. For example, it's nice out today. In Milan, It's nice out today. Okay. So here we have the temperature. Okay, so we can say how normally the questions are how hot is it? Or how cold is it? Depending on if it's hot or cold. Mhm. So we say, how hot is it today in the summer? Or how cold is it? So now let's put them in order. So we have hot, cold, warm, freezing, boiling, and cool. So here, number one, is this hot, cold, warm, freezing, boiling? What is number one? What is number one? What do you think, Tonio? What do you think, Giovanni? What is number one? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it freezing? Is it boiling? What do you think? Boiling. So boiling is similar. It's similar to water for pasta. When you cook pasta, you boil the water. So boiling is very hot water, like for pasta. So yeah, Giovanni, number one is boiling. So this is very, 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 very hot. Okay. And number two, what is number two? So number 2 is hot. Okay. So we have boiling, which is very, very, very hot. Hot, which is hot. And then we have warm. So boiling is very hot. Hot is normal hot. And warm, which is a little bit hot. Okay. Then we have cool. Cool is a little bit cold. Cold is normal cold. And freezing is very cold. Okay, so these are the different levels. For example, in Milan, it's warm. It's warm in Milan. In my opinion, it's warm. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's cold? It's warm? What about in Sardinia? How hot is it or how cold is it? What do you think? Okay, so let's go to the next one. So here we have different adjectives. We also have stormy. Stormy is when we have lightning. Okay. And we also have raining and snowing. So raining and snowing are similar to rainy and snowy. But raining and snowing are the verbs. So, for example, we can say that it's rainy today in general. But right now, in this moment, it's raining. So raining and snowing are specific, for specific time. So what's the weather like in this picture? For example, here it's hot and sunny. Maybe it's a little bit windy. Maybe. What about this picture? What's the weather like in this picture? Exactly. Perfect, Daniel. It's snowy. But in this picture, it's not snowing. Yeah, exactly. Snowing right now. Perfect. So it's cold and snowy because there is snow, but it's not snowing in that moment. Perfect. Yeah, I know, Tonio. There are too many people connected. Sorry. And in this picture, what's the weather like in this picture? What's the weather like in this picture? What do you guys think? Is it sunny? Perfect, Tonio. It's cloudy. Absolutely. It's cloudy. It's sunny and cloudy. Giovanni. Oh yeah, maybe it's a little bit sunny, yeah. We cannot see it in the picture, but yeah, maybe it's also a little bit sunny. In English, we can also say it looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's about to rain. Sembra che stia per piovere. We can say. So it looks like it's going, it looks like it's about to rain. You can say. This one is a very common expression in English. We can say it's about to, and this is sta per blah blah blah. For example, it's about to rain. Okay, let's see the next picture. Ooh, what about this picture? What do you think? It's raining. Yeah, in this picture, I don't think it's raining, but I think it's cold and foggy. Yeah. And just remember, Giovanni, remember it's cold and foggy. You always need to remember it's before. Okay? So that it is complete. So it's cold and foggy. Yeah. Absolutely. Let's see the next picture. Perfect. Yep, exactly, Tonio. It's foggy. And this picture, they're playing tennis. What do you think here? What's happening here? What's the weather like in this picture? It's rainy. So, yeah, we can say it's rainy, but in this specific case, it's more correct to say it's raining. Yeah, perfect. Exactly. It's raining. There you go. So we say it's raining now. It's rainy in general. Okay. And we can also say they are playing tennis in the rain. So in English, when you're talking about the weather, the preposition we use is in. Exactly, Giovanni. It's raining now. We say in the rain, sotto la pioggia. Okay. We can also say in the snow. We can say in the snow, sulla neve, which is similar. In the shower. Okay, so for in English, all of these are the same. They're all the same. It does not change. Okay, in the rain, in the snow, in the shower, in the pool, all the same. So in English, when you're talking about water, always use in English. Okay. So we will stop right there. Does anybody have any final questions before we finish? You guys have any doubts, any questions? Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm sorry about the connection problems. Okay, but I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much. And remember to practice this every day. All right. Thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye. See you.